What's up, squad? It's Joseph with Fitness Mindset. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a proper push-up to help take pressure off your shoulders, engage your core, and increase your overall strength. Okay, squad, so I don't know if you guys remember one of my last videos when I showed you how to do a proper plank to engage your core. This is very similar. You're going to engage your core the same way that I showed you in that plank position. Glutes engaged, squeezed, abdomen nice and tight, shoulders down and back, engaging your lats. Same position, okay? Line up your hands with your shoulders in your chest. Lift your feet. And now, instead of us pushing from up here, where our hands are lined up with our shoulders, I'd like you to try to go over and get your hands by your rib cage. So we can start on the ground. Get your shoulders down, squeeze your glutes, engage your abdomen. Now, if you pay attention to my hands, look where my hands are. Most people do push-ups up here, which causes shoulder impingement. Issues with the rotator cuff where you start to get a forward shoulder and your shoulders do this. We want to limit that, stop that from happening. So retract your shoulders, engage your lats, bring your hands down. Now doing a push-up from this position here will help you engage your abdomen and the rest of your core, your glutes, your lats. So from here we're going to push up. Now notice where my hands are. I'm over my hands, push up, touching the ground with my chest and my abdomen, push up, full extension out of my arms. Now, for those of you at home who are like, well, that's really tough, I can't even do a push-up. Well, this is what you're gonna do. Same position, knees on the ground. I still like you to engage your glutes. Look at my hips. My hips are lined up with my rib cage, lined up with my shoulders. My body's in a straight line. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Try to keep your shoulders from doing this as you're doing that push-up by squeezing. Go all the way down and push. That's how you do the proper push-up. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my page, and if you'd like to see any content, any specific material, comment below, let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Thank you.